Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chelsiejayy here. If you're new here, hey girl, and if you're not new, hey girl, hey. Today we're gonna be doing a fall get ready with me. So I just decided to do like a fall makeup routine because I haven't done that on my channel in a minute. So yeah, if you're excited to see the fall makeup, then just keep watching. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you set your notifications. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So first, I'm gonna put my hair up because I hate like when my hair is just all over the place when I'm doing my makeup, okay? Because it's like, how am I supposed to function if my hair is like all over the place? So I'm just gonna pop it up in like a little pen. I am gonna be using different items this time, well, different makeup products this time, because I just been feeling like, you know, stuff has been repetitive, so I just want to switch it up. I'm not sure if this would be too much of a chit chat, but we are gonna chat a little bit. You know, I just can't not talk to y'all. First off, let's use our primer. I'm gonna be using the Water Jelly by Huda Beauty. This has been a favorite of mine as well. I just haven't been using it because I just been using the same things, but we're gonna start with this. If you see me looking down or looking around, girl, I'm looking at this mirror, so hopefully that doesn't bother you. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this on the skin. My skin is already prepped and washed. When you put on your makeup, just make sure that your face is like nice and clean, because it just makes a difference when your face is nice and clean. Doing this fall makeup and get ready with me. If you guys have been hearing me talk about fall for the last few vlogs that I've been posting. I love fall, y'all. Like fall, it just gives what it needs to give. It gives the girls, like, I don't know, I just love being cool. I hate being hot. So I feel like when it's fall time too, you can wear the type of makeup you want to wear. You don't have to worry about, you just don't have to worry about nothing. You can just live your life and wear your jackets and your hoodies, especially like during fall season. Like, I'm a hoodie girl, okay? Like, I love a good hoodie, a nice little boot, and keep it moving. I'm also using my brow freeze. Girl, I need some more because it's giving very much, you left this open and now it's white. If you know, you know. This brow product is super bomb. I like it a lot. Is that if you forget to close the jar, the whole thing will turn white, which is not their fault. It's my fault, because I should have did what I was supposed to do, but instead I was, I guess, rushing. I don't know. I'm finally trying to get the shape of my brows right. That's one thing I do lack in, y'all. Like, I be doing my own brows and it just don't be giving what it's supposed to give. I don't know what it be giving. It just be giving, you don't know what you're doing. I'm gonna start to fill in my brows. You guys are gonna just watch me do this part because you can't talk and do your brows. If you talking and doing your brows, girl, kudos to you, because you know what you're doing. But me, I have to be quiet. Everything gotta be silent. So let's go ahead and fill in these brows, and then we're gonna get on to the next step. Okay, girl, so let's go ahead and get into this get ready with me. Brows are pretty much done. You guys know, like, I like to go back and finish my brows up like towards the end, but I just like to do the outline and all of that. Let's just go ahead and get into it. For foundation, I am using a different foundation today. I have used this before on my channel. This is the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. Initially, this wasn't my favorite. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because at first, I don't know if I had got the wrong tone or what, but it just wasn't giving. So I'm just gonna give it another try again on camera, because why not? Because I'm kind of getting bored with the Anastasia, because I've been using it in every single video. So yeah, this is the shade Maria. It's in Maria 2.3, I think. I'll make sure I have it linked for you guys in the description box. But I'm just taking that and just putting it on with my finger first, and then we're going to blend it out with my beauty blender. But yeah, girl, we're gonna be using this. I don't know, I'm not against matte foundations. I actually like them because I do have oily skin, if you didn't know. So if you do have oily skin, matte foundations are, you know, a good thing to try out. You know, your skin just be getting oily, it be glistening. So yeah, I'm just taking that and blending it out into the skin. As you can see, this is a full coverage foundation, girl. Like, if you've been considering getting this and you are apprehensive, I say try it out. It just was hard to find my exact shade. I did get 2 shades and mix them. I got Tahoe and then I got Maria, but Tahoe seemed to be too light, which actually in the other formula by Nars, it's right on point. So it was just kind of different. But yeah, to each his own. Try it out and see if you like it. But I just wanted to switch it up because we've been using the same products in the last couple videos, so why not switch it up? I am so excited for fall, y'all. I am so excited for fall and winter. Not my hair coming down. I'm gonna have to fix it in a minute. But yeah, fall and winter are my favorite. I hate when it's too cold though. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you, I'm not even a cold weather type person. I like cold weather, but when it's like freezing, see how it's like, I don't know, maybe it's just gonna take some time, like once I blend everything out. But that initial is giving like orangey on camera, but in person it looks fine right now. But we're gonna get it right. Y'all know me. But like I was saying, fall and winter are like my most, not winter, I'm not even gonna say winter, but like the cooler months are my favorite because I hate being hot. I hate sweating, like, hate sweating. I'm gonna take my Dior Forever Skin Correct concealer. This is my girl, okay? Like, this right here will forever be in my collection. I have to get some more because it's like running out. I didn't even realize I was running low until the other day. I was trying to use it. I was just like, girl, what is going on? Just taking a little flat brush and putting that product on the back of my hand and blending it out because it was struggling. And I don't like my concealer to be choppy. Like, I like it to be smooth because that helps the blend. And I always go OD with concealer and stuff. So ignore me. Use what you need to use, but don't be like me, because I will go to town trying to put some concealer on. I just love bright under eyes. I just love it. So I'm gonna be using the Chestnut. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just gonna take that and start to contour my face. You know, I love to put it in my brows because that just takes it up a notch, honey. And then I'm just gonna take it and start to contour the sides of my cheeks. I love this this little brush. This has been my go-to. Like, I've been using this a lot. I haven't used the Rare Beauty products yet, which I need to because they sent me some, but I just haven't gotten around to using them. If you've tried Rare Beauty, let me know in the comment section because I would love to know how it is before I just get right into it and try to film a video and then it just be like it just don't go the way I want it to go. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and then I'm just gonna start blending out that highlighted portion. The hair be getting everywhere. That's why I need to put my scarf back on. Because I was trying to be cute and it's just giving, it is all over the place. Natural Glam is just my favorite. I am going to try to switch it up a little bit because it is a fall makeup routine. Because it is a fall get ready with me, I'm going to try to switch it up a little bit. But don't expect too much of a switch up, sis, because you guys know, like, I am a natural girl. I love natural glam. I'm gonna start contouring my nose. I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do that because y'all seen me contour my nose like a million times. But I'm taking the same product, that Anastasia contour stick in the shade Chestnut. So now that we have our nose is contoured, everything is looking a little crazy. It's okay. Stay with me. I'm gonna take my Kevyn Aucoin. I do like Kevyn Aucoin a lot. I love their concealer, and it lasts so long. Like, you know how some like that Dior, which I did have it for a while, but with the Kevyn Aucoin, you just don't have to repurchase because it's so thick, and you can really use it with a lot of stuff. Like, you can use it a lot. So I'm just taking a little bit underneath the eye. I don't know what eye look we're gonna do today. I really don't, because I do have some more content to film, so I don't want to be doing too much dramatic stuff, because, you know, like, if it's too dramatic, I don't know, everything just looks the same. Like, I don't want it to look like I've been filming all day in the same makeup. So yeah, I don't know what look we're gonna do, but I'm gonna be thinking about it while I'm blending out this highlight. What's on y'all fall wish list? Tell me that, because I've been of course, like y'all know, I'm a TikTok junkie, and everybody has been posting their wish list for fall, whether it's boots or a bag or perfume, or just like a little haul. Like, what do you plan on purchasing for fall? Like, what are you going to be adding to your new wardrobe? Because, you know, like, new seasons, you just deserve it. You deserve, you know, a new bag or whatever you want to buy for yourself. Like, you deserve it, because it's a new season. You need new items. Even though it's winter time, I feel like that's when people really put it on. You know what I'm saying? Like, that, if you know how to dress, it's going to show in the winter time, because you ain't got no choice but to put some stuff together, because you have to wear more clothes versus, like, you know, before. So what are y'all gonna be purchasing for fall? Because I have some stuff on my wish list that I want. So yeah, I would love to know what's on yours. So comment below, let me know, so we can talk about our wish lists. Wish list. So we can talk about our wish list in the comment section, because I would love to know. Y'all might make me spend some money, because if I see something I want, I'm gonna get it, period. And that's just on everything, because it's always anything for you, princess. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty. This is my all-time favorite. Also, if you haven't tried the powder puff, try the powder puff method, girl, because it really makes a difference. Yeah, also, now that the face is set, I like to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Butter. I'm keeping my powders the same, because I don't know, like, once you know what powder works for you, like, that's pretty much gonna be it. So I'm just taking that, and I'm gonna cut the sides of my nose. Then I'm gonna take my powder puff, and then I'm gonna lightly, like, pat that into the skin, so that we can get that brightened under eye look. I always say, like, if you're not a fan of the brightened under eye, then you would just skip that portion. You would just set with your first powder. But this is just what I like to do. So I'm just taking that. I want to take pictures today. That was my goal, to take pictures, like, actually go find a location and take them. So pray for me, y'all, because I'm, like, already wait a minute, this is too much powder. Wait a minute, poo. Let me pass some of this in, because I done lost my mind. Yeah, I want to take pictures today. I want to do, like, some garage type pictures, so we're gonna see how that goes, or if I even get the opportunity to do that. So we're gonna see, because I need to, like, work on my pictures. But yeah, so now I'm gonna take my True Complexion Black Radiance contour kit. This is my favorite, always will be. I'm just lightly contouring. You know, your girl loves a good contour. And I'm probably gonna show you guys the outfit too, because why not, you know? It's gonna be an outfit from my try on haul from my vlog. So if you haven't seen the vlog, I'm gonna make sure I pin it so you guys can go check that out, because I did a try on haul for Boohoo, well, with Boohoo, and I did that in my vlog, so I'm gonna make sure I tag that for you guys. But now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my cheeks, because you gotta cut the cheeks, okay, so we can get that definition. Guys, I think I'm just gonna do, like, a light like a bronze type eye. I'm also patting in that powder, because I don't want it to just sit there, so I'm patting in the powder too before I start doing that. Now I'm going to go in with my E51 brush. This is by Morphe. Highly recommend this brush because it does pack on that powder without it looking cakey. It just like seamlessly puts in the powder. So I'm just going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, go on top. I'm going to move on to the eyes. I didn't prime my eyes, but I'm just going to take the remaining concealer that I had on the back of my hand to just kind of lightly put that concealer on top. Just to add just a little tackiness so that the what is it? That the eyeshadow, you see, I don't even know because I haven't done eyeshadow in so long, and y'all know I was an eyeshadow girl, and when I go back and look at those videos, I'm like, what? Ma'am, no, that just was not it. I'm taking my finger and I'm lightly patting that on. Since we're switching things up, I'm going to try out the Urban Decay Wild West palette. They sent this over. But I guess we can do like the Rustler. Either Rustler or Hold'em. Hold'em is like this gold color. It's super pretty though, right? Maybe we should try that. Oh yeah, it's super pretty. I'm just going to pat it in with my finger first. And just lightly do that. Because I don't want like a super dramatic look. I just want it to be nice and cute. And I'm going to take that brush that's in the palette because, you know, why not? Use all my resources. So I'm taking that brush and I'm just going to go into the shade Standoff. It's just this white color. And I'm just packing that in the inner corner of my eyes just to add that like little brightening effect. I'm going to go into the Black Radiance palette. And I'm going to take that contour shade and go around that pigment just to add some color. Like some brown. I have to do like a little winged effect because my eyes are like almond shaped. So of course you want to do this according to your eye shape. The brush that I'm using is not even a special brush, girl. It's just, this is an old blending brush. So you can take whatever brush that you have. Morphe has really good brushes. I'm pretty sure y'all already know because you're here, like you already know. Okay, I like it. I think this is just enough. This is just what we need to do. Now what I'm gonna do is set my face because I pretty much done everything else. So yeah, I'm gonna set my face. First I'm gonna go back in and pat a little bit more. Okay, you guys, so lashes are on. I did apply some eyeliner as well. Now I'm about to go in with my lip liner, KKW Nude 2. Now that the lips are contoured, now that the lips are lined, I'm going to take Milkshake lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick by Anastasia. So lips are pretty much done. I'm going to take my hair down and I'm going to change real quick and then I'm going to finish out the video with the finished look. Guys, so this is the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my fall get ready with me. As you can see, we are dressed for fall. The plaid shirt is from Boohoo. Shirt underneath is from Skims. So I have on my JBW watch and just like a little ring. I would consider this like my chill fit. Like if I'm just going, I don't know, like just going somewhere chill, not nowhere I have to like really dress up. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed my fall get ready with me. The eye look turned out really cute. I really think that we, you know, tried to do something different, try to switch it up. I'm gonna put like a little side clip of like the full body outfit. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Thank you again for watching my fall makeup routine. If you did like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you show some love in the comment section because that's where I always am after every upload. Yeah y'all, I think that's it. I will see you in my next one. Bye.